Okay, for all you Digitails fans out there, if you're going to run the front and rear Digitails, here's a mod you're going to have to do. You're going to have to put these resistors, you're going to have to tee them in, and you're going to have to ground them. Right now, they're just temporarily grounded with a red wire. If you don't do that, they're not going to flash when you put the parking lights or the brakes on. So big thanks to Salby86 and for posting that on TurboView.com, and Richard Clark for helping him out with that at his shop. I found it by using the search function on the forum. Imagine that, not using social media. Here's the front instructions. You can clearly see this is what it tells you to do. Ignore that, throw it in the trash, that's garbage. Here's the rear instructions, and I kind of screwed it up the first time, so pay attention to red. So the resistor tees in here and it goes to ground, and the resistor tees in there and it goes to ground. It puts a load on a circuit so it will flash, and of course you have to run these flashers, which I have. So, Digitails aggravation complete.